Our Prophet ﷺ said, there shall be after me, listen to this, 30 dajjalun kadhabun. 30 dajjals. And our Prophet ﷺ predicted that there will be many dajjals. In an authentic hadith reported in Musnad Imam Ahmad and other books, our Prophet ﷺ said, and there is a version of it in Sahih Muslim, our Prophet ﷺ said, there shall be after me, listen to this, 30 dajjalun kadhabun. 30 dajjals. All of them kadhab. كلهم يزعم أنه نبي. Everyone is claiming that he is a nabi. وأنه لا نبي بعدي. And there is no nabi after me. What do we learn from this hadith? It's not just one dajjal. There are many, we can call them in English, dajjal with a small d. Or we can say mini dajjals, no problem. But there is one dajjal with a big D, okay? Or the major dajjal. So there are many mini dajjals. 30 in one hadith. 30. What is the sign of these false dajjal? كلهم يزعم أنه نبي. Everyone says the same claim. I am Nabi, I am Nabi, I am Nabi. And the Prophet said, وَأَنَّهُ لَا نَبِيَّ بَعْدِي. From this we learn a principle, my dear brothers and sisters. Anybody who claims he is a Nabi, he is in fact what? A Dajjal. Is that clear? Anybody who claims he is a Nabi, you can call him a title. And that title is, you are a Dajjal. A Dajjal. As for the Dajjal, that will be the last of them. The 30th of them. That is the big Dajjal. That is the worst of them. And before that time, there will be plenty of mini Dajjals. And we had one here in America as well. This Elijah Muhammad. Elijah Muhammad, the founder of the Nation of Islam, he claimed that he is Nabi. And he claimed that Allah inspires him. And he claimed openly that I am the Prophet of God. He changed he was born Elijah Muhammad, Elijah Poole. He changed his name to Elijah Muhammad. And he then said that you have to recite the kalima, there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is his messenger. And by that he meant he is the messenger. He called himself Muhammad. And then he said, whenever a Muslim says Muhammad Rasulullah, that is me. And so he taught to his people this, and he is one of the last of the Dajjals to come, and Allah knows how many will come until the end of time.